experience of the Parter Lounge is that it was a really good space to find new work that was exciting. It was sort of an embryonic state that was a very exciting state that already held together quite well. And yeah, as a member of the audience and as someone who's interested in the arts and works in the arts, I think that was really exciting to see. And how the space was conducted and how the movement between pieces was conducted was really interesting. And the pieces were really exciting individually, were really exciting. And there's also a lot of space for communication and for conversation between all invited and all involved and all audiences.